Retro Rookie Bésame unboxing. Scene 1, take 1, and action. Hi and welcome back to another episode of Retro Rookie, and it's that time again. It is time for another Bésame unboxing video. So I'm so excited about this video because it means I get to open up my new Bésame collection. So the new collection from Bésame is a Mickey Mouse range, which celebrates the 90th anniversary of Mickey Mouse. Happy birthday, Mickey. So if you haven't been able to tell by now, I love Disney. I'm so enamored with the entire company, with the Disney brothers, with Mickey Mouse, and I can't wait to go back to the beginning with this collection. So let's take a look. Previous Bésame unboxing video where I talk about the box and the packaging, so if you want to know more about that, then you should go back to my last video about Bésame, which is the Snow White range. Okay, so we have a really nice postcard which says thank you for your purchase. Again, we have the Bésame bugle, which is really cool, and this time it's talking about the Mermaids Lagoon collection, which is celebrating the mermaids from Peter Pan. So I can already kind of see through the bubble wrap, and I can already tell you that I absolutely love this. I decided to opt for the set, which was 2 lipsticks and a mirror, which comes in this box, which is just amazing. Everything from this collection is celebrating the 1930s, and I just think you can see that so much. It really pops. I love the fact that they haven't gone with white, they've gone with, like, you know, this creamy colour, and it just looks so old and retro and cool. So let's have a look inside. Okay, so this is amazing. So we have the 2 lipsticks and we have the mirror. Just the attention to detail in this box, in the same way that it was in the Snow White collection, is incredible. We've got the Mickey Mouse head here, and the box is all Mickey's letters to spell out his name. So let's start with the mirror, and again following through with the 1930s style. I really love the way all of these pop. So this is the Mickey Mouse red. It's got Mickey, and then it's got his name on the side. So cool. It's such a poppy red, and you do associate that with, like, Mickey's pants, which is just so cool and fun, and a really nice feminine homage to Mickey's birthday. So I would say that this is quite a cool shade of red, but incredibly vibrant. And just like the Snow White range, which Bésame were able to colour swatch from the original cells of Snow White, in this particular lipstick they have taken the pigment directly from the colour used in Mickey's shorts and shoes. So this is just so cool, and it's, as you can see, the actual tube that the lipstick comes in does have a retro drawing of Mickey on it. And it's so nice to see companies like Bésame, which are really catering to the fangirls out there. So I'm gonna put red Mickey back in his box. And I'm really excited about this one. So this has got a different design to it. It's got Mickey's letters that spell out his name right around the tube. And this is called Ink and Paint. So obviously paying homage not only to, you know, Mickey's colouring, but really to the artistry behind it, to the cartooning. What I'm most excited about for this is that I've heard that the colour changes depending on the pH of your lips. So it's going to be a unique colour for every person that uses it, which is amazing. So let's take a look. Oh wow, that's so cool. So in the tube, it looks like it's kind of like a very, very dark purple plum colour. I think it's described by Bésame as a blackberry colour. Now I'm really excited to see how this comes out, and I am hoping that it comes out super dark, but we'll have to wait and see. And I really like how, especially if you're buying it as a set, they have changed how each tube looks. So they haven't been lazy with the designs, and I really appreciate that with Bésame. I can imagine this being like, you know, a soap box or something like that. It's just such a bold design, which I really love. And this is the thing, it's so charming, and I cannot wait to try them out. So thanks for watching my Bésame unboxing video of the 90th anniversary Mickey Mouse collection. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to try out these lipsticks. And please remember to like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram with @retro_rookie. Thanks for watching. See you next time. It's a Bésame unboxing episode.